Hi there, Stampers. Jen Roque here from StampCampWithJen.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, near the Villages. And today I am so excited to share that my friend Melissa Seplowitz from the StampinNinja.com and I have teamed up once again to bring you our spring at-home craft retreat. This is going to be an awesome retreat. You're going to learn so much, get some awesome pillow gifts, make a bunch of beautiful cards, and it's just going to be an awesome time. So I have this quick little snapshot with the important details. So the price for this tutorial, or for the retreat, excuse me, is $90, and it's $12, an additional $12 if you need it shipped. If you want to purchase the tutorial only, it's $30. And the link for the registration, whether you register through me or through Melissa, the links are in the description below, as well as our contact information if you have any questions. The deadline to register is May 12th. And the boxes will ship around May 29th, and that is when the tutorials will be emailed out. So if you purchase the tutorial, you won't get it until May 29th, okay? So just be aware of that. So for this retreat, we have thought long and hard. We kind of changed up a couple things, so it's a little bit different from our retreats in the past. We really wanted to teach you some new techniques, give you lots of card ideas for the suite that we're using, and we've got some amazing pillow gifts that I'm not going to share because they're really awesome and I don't want to spoil anything, but trust me, you are not going to want to miss out on these. So just keep in mind though that we do not have extra boxes that we keep on hand. So if you really want to participate, make sure you register by May 12th, because once registration closes, if you don't sign up, you'll just miss on all those awesome pillow gifts and the craft box, okay? And trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss them. Everybody's always like, oh my gosh, I wish I would have signed up. Okay, so I am filming this before the catalog goes live, so I can't open this up, but I do want to share the suite that we're using is the Valley and Bloom suite on page 22 of your May through August 2026 catalog. So if you open that up, you'll kind of see a lot of the products that we're using, okay? So in this retreat, you're going to get, like I said, we are making 10 different cards. So you're going to get 10 different card ideas using that suite. You're going to get the tutorials, step-by-step instructions. Everything will be pre-cut, that's not in the bundle. Any dies that we use that aren't in the bundle will be pre-cut, pre-die cut, and included in there. You're going to get a full pack of the Valley and Bloom designer series paper, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of that in case you haven't seen it yet. It's gorgeous. It's got nice bright spring colors, perfect for our retreat here. Using those Lily of the Valley. I love this so much. It's so like artsy looking and pretty too. Very, very pretty. And so like I said, this is a full pack, so it will stay in the 12 by 12. You'll cut it down for your projects, but it will be very easy to see in the tutorials what pieces you need to cut and what sizes, okay? And then you're going to get half a pack of the Luxe White Specialty DSP. This has kind of like a silver sheen with some of the patterns on here. It's gorgeous. And this will stay 12 by 12 as well. And you'll cut that down. And then you'll also get a full pack of these shimmering dots, okay? And you can kind of see there's like little specks of like blue and like gold in there. It's gorgeous. It's so, so pretty. Okay, so you'll get all that. Now, recommended products that are not included are the Lily of the Valley bundle. Okay, so you will need this to complete your project, excuse me. You'll need the floral spray 3D embossing folder, and you'll need a pack of blending brushes. Now, if you don't have these, you can add them onto your retreat box and save 17% on tax and shipping, okay? Now, in the registration link, there's a whole list of the inks and some Stampin' Blends that are recommended as well. And again, if you don't have those, you can try to use something similar, or if you just need to add them to your kit, you can also add them to your kit and save 17% on tax and shipping. Now, here's a couple sneak peeks of a couple of the cards that we're going to be making in this class. Very pretty. But like I said, you're going to get 10 different card ideas. It's just so awesome. So lots of ideas on how to use this suite. Okay. All right, well, that is all I have for our little sneak peek here. Like I said, May 12th is the deadline. Here are the prices. The links are in the description below. Our contact information is in the description below as well. So if you need to email us and ask us any questions before you sign up, absolutely reach out and let us know any questions you have, okay? Like I said, this is going to be an awesome at-home craft retreat experience. I hope you're really looking forward to it. We put a lot of love into this, and we're so excited to share it with you, okay? All right, guys, well, I hope you have a great day. We look forward to seeing you at the class, and until next time, be safe and happy stamping. Bye-bye.